Hey folks, here's Wayne over at the Ram Man Inc. Here we've got an A-hub and we have a locker body that drops down. So, the only thing, part A, part B, so the only thing that can push the body out is part C and the shaft. We have a multitude of shafts. This right here is a 480. This right here is a 330. This right here is a 750. It has to do with how long it is and the back spacing and the spline. Now, as we can see from this 480 shaft, that we have no problem with the locker being pushed out. Take a 335 shaft. It's all about the spline depth and the total. And, well, there's about 4 measurements going on here. The total length right here, right here, right here that we're compensating for. Here's a 750 shaft. It appears that this wasn't cut back. We got like 4 bad shafts, not cut back another 200. What we're going to see here is this pushes the locker body out. Pushes the locker body out. So, these couple of shafts should have been machined back another 1/4 of an inch right there. Now, probably what I'd do, it's only me. Well, I know what I'd do. But anyway, that's the problem. And error on the shaft. Bye.